So I just received this package and I think this is the one I've got from Denise Love because it's coming from the United States. Well, first I have to get this off and then it looks like big. Oh wow. What's this? Whoa. I love this. So far, it's great. There are just some. I think this is not the book. This is a card from her to me. Wow, it looks amazing. There's some text in it too, I think. Oh no, it's a small book. That's great. That you can send as a card or. This book, wow. And she says she's not attached by it. And there's a little note from her to me. But this book, it really looks great. I will put this aside and see later what that is. But she works with all kinds of ribbons and I think this is lace or something. It just looks amazing. Like this. Wow, those pages. Oh, this is so great to work in. I think this is one. Oh, she has worked in it. Like here, wow. And this. Some roses in it. Not everything is like worked on, but it's looking really great. There's something different here. Wow. This is really great. Really awesome. It's a nice fabric as well. And then there's even more. I thought I was there, but look at this. Some more lace things. It would be wonderful to print some patterns with mixed media. I think this is a printed paper, circle paper. Whoa, this is just awesome. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And there's even more. Wow. This looks like it's all leftovers from her. But I'm definitely sure I have some of these things too. It feels like Christmas. What's this? This is a bag or something? Let's look. Oh, there's some more lace. Let's see how this is opening with a little case where you could put something in. That's really wonderful. And this is, I guess this is another book, or it's just more fabrics. Get No and Co. This is just awesome. They are great. Wow. This is really lovely. And these are all exactly the colors that I want to work in at the moment. So it's blue, mostly bluish colors, and it's like paper. Well, I'm really in love with it already, and I look forward to to see everything. Oh, was this one also here? Wow, the Tina Wakely. Ah, that's really kind. Thank you, Denise. And I'm so looking forward to working in this one. And I think it will be when we are traveling. I take this one with me. I really adore it. It's so wonderful. It's I almost cry. It's so lovely, so wonderfully made. With three, I think three um, segments in it. It's wonderful. I really look forward to work in this. It's so great. Thank you so much. Thank you.